In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Google Calendar. We'll start in the Google Cloud Console to create the permissions your workflow needs, then finish inside n8n by adding your credentials and testing the connection with a Google Calendar node. Begin by opening the Google Cloud Console and either create a new project or switch to one you already use. With your project selected, open APIs and services and go to the library. Search for Google Calendar API, open it and enable it. This gives your project access to the calendar service. Next, still under APIs and services, open the OAuth consent screen. Choose external if you plan to authorize with a regular Google account, or select internal if you're on Google Workspace and only need access within your organization. Click Create and fill out the required app information. Keep it simple and accurate. This is what Google shows when you sign in. Move on to Scopes. Search for and add the appropriate googleapis.com calendar scopes so n8n can read and manage your calendar events as needed. If your app is in testing mode, add yourself as a test user so you can authorize the app during sign in. Now go to Credentials, click Create Credentials, and choose OAuth Client ID. For the application type, select Web Application. In the Authorized Redirect URI section, switch to n8n for a moment, open Credentials, start setting up a Google Calendar OAuth2 API credential, and copy the redirect URI that n8n shows you. Paste that URI back into the Google Cloud Console, create the client, then copy the client ID and client secret and keep them handy. Head back to n8n. In Credentials, add a new credential for the Google Calendar OAuth2 API. Paste in the client ID and client secret you just created, then click Sign In with Google. Follow the Google authorization prompts and approve the requested permissions. If your app is unverified or in testing, you may see a warning. This is expected while you're setting things up. With the credentials saved, add a Google Calendar node to your workflow. Select the credential you just created. Choose the resource and operation you want, like events, and create, list, or update, and then pick the specific calendar from the dropdown. That's it. You've connected n8n to Google Calendar. If you run into issues, double check that the Calendar API is enabled. The redirect URI in Google Cloud exactly matches the one from n8n. The correct scopes are added, and your account is listed as a test user if the app is in testing mode.